Hello guys, so this is my first video on YouTube in English language. Actually, at the earlier time I posted a video, I got many comments, sir, please also post a video in English language too. So that's why I today decided that I will bring the question, that I mean to say puzzle and DI bilingually. Okay, and one more thing, I am not a person who is fluent in English, excellent English. I just know the basic speaking part. Okay, I'm not the English teacher first of all. Okay, so these are the things. If I made any mistakes, so just avoid that and focus to the content and the now come to the topic. What is the current what is the today's DI? Okay, so the today's DI is about the classes. Okay, here are three classes are given to us, and in that classes, in each class there are three sections. Okay, so let me write here. And one more special thing is that most of the data, many data is missing in this, especially of one class data completely is missing. Okay, so 10th and 12th, two classes data are completely given. So also also in that also in that few are missing. We have to use the variable there. It's like in 10th class there are three sections ABC. Okay, in 12th class also there are three sections A, B and C. Okay, and each section there we have to use 2 months. Okay, it is said clearly that the class started in July. Okay, let this is a school. Okay, it is clearly given. So this is a school, and in the classes of this school started in July. Then after it goes up to in next month in August, the few number of students increase. Somewhere it is increased, somewhere it is not increased. So no problem. Where it is increased, we will do calculation according to that. Okay, so these are the things. I hope you understand the basic structure of this DI. And before starting the video ahead, I would like to explain tell you few things. Although till now all the videos are in Hindi, but now I am planning to bring the upcoming videos in bilingually. Mean you will see the DI and puzzle in English language also. Whichever DI or puzzle I will post in Hindi, that same DI puzzle I will also post in English too. Okay, so once let me check everything is okay. Okay, so for if you are compatible with Hindi, then you can watch the others video too. Okay, go to YouTube channel. Okay, so let's now, without wasting your time, just start the DI. Let me clean this first, and then after we will read the basic instruction. Open to this. Okay. Okay, so what is given in the instruction? In a school there are three classes, 10th, 11th, 12th. In each classes there are three sections ABC. Okay, so got it. Then after it is saying that the classes started in July, but in August some more students took the admission in the school. So the number of students changed. Okay, so what happened? New student took admission in the school. That's why the number got changed. Okay, here the 10th class data is given, and here 12th class data is given. Some additional information is given up to here. This is the additional information. Okay, got it. And here also we will solve two questions at the end of video. Okay, so now let me start, and before starting let me first draw the diagram which will be required for this. Okay, so I have drawn here a basic structure. Okay, so let's start. In 10th class, the total number of students in school was 118. What is the meaning of this? In July 10th class. Okay, here I have not drawn the columns of 11th class, because the 11th class completely no data is given. If you we will read ahead also, then you will come to know that here no data is given about 11th class. So I have skipped that. The 11th class data we will find out from the questions. Okay, directly from the questions. So what is given here, that the total number of students in school was 118. So here it is saying about the July month, not for August month. In 10th class, for July month. Okay, this is the starting, this is the next month. Okay, so here we will write 118. What is saying next? In August, 8, 16 and 26. 8, 16 and 26 student took admission in ABC respectively. Okay, these are the three sections. Okay, I already told you. Okay, so 8, 16 and 26. These are the number of students which took admission in the August month. Okay, at the starting of August month or whatever. So what we will do now, we will just add simply these number to our this main number. Okay, then we will know what is the total number of August month. Okay, so first of all add these all. This will be 24 and 26. Okay, it will be 50. Okay, so we will add 50 in 118, so it will be 168. Okay, now come to next line. What it's saying, it is saying, and the ratio of number of student in section A. Okay, clearly read this, don't be confused. Okay, ratio of number of student of section A to the combined number of students in section B and C. Hope you understand this, what it is saying, A to combinedly B and C. Okay, not a single. Okay, individually it is not saying, it is saying for A individually. Okay, and B and C we have to take together. Okay, what is the ratio? The ratio becomes 2:5. Becomes means for this 168 it is saying, so the ratio becomes 2:5. So what we do now, we will just put simply x here, and we will calculate the value of x. How? I will also add these both. Sorry, I will add these both numbers. Okay, and it will be equal to 168. Okay, I hope you understand what I want to say. So now what will be these 7x equal to 168, and value of x will be if you divide this by 7, it will be 7 2 ja and 7 4 ja. Okay, so x equals to 24. So we will just multiply this by 24, it will be 48, and multiply this also, it will be 120. Okay, so we will write a 48 here. I will write 48, and this 120 is for these both. Okay, so one in one. Now what we can do, we cannot write 120 here, neither here. Okay, so in this condition we will let one of these number x. Okay, then what will be the other number? This will be 120 minus x. Okay, I hope you understand. If any part of the video you not understand, then just simply click comment in the box. I will reply to that. Okay, so this all about what the 10th class data. It up to here it is only 10th class, and after that 12th class data starts. So before that, one more thing is coming to my mind, that is that I know that what is the increase, what is the number of student increased. Okay, in each section. Like in A section, if we talk about A section, so here you know that 8 students took admission. Okay, so after taking admission, these become 48. So what was the earlier number of students? It was 40. Just I subtracted 8 from 48. And similarly for X also, B section also, just subtract 16. Why 16? Because 16 is for B. Okay, so I will subtract 16 from X, so then X minus 16. And after this C section also, subtract 26 from this, so 120 minus X minus 26, it will be what it will be. It will be 94 minus X. Okay, so just now let me clear this first of all. Okay, now read the question ahead. In 12th class, the number of students in section in 12th class, and now it is complete. All the data is given for 12th class only. Okay, up to here. In 12th class, the number of students in section A in July is 150%. Where is this? See in this table, A section and July month. It is talking about this. Okay, this is what, this is the 150%. This is 150% of the number of student in section C. Okay, this is 150% of number of student of section C in August. C section in August month. Here it is. Okay, so this number is 150% of this. So let me just simply let here any number 2y. Okay, why I have taken 2y? Because I cannot take x. Already I have used. Okay, here new ratio is going to be we have to make a new ratio, so I have used y here. Okay, so y now just calculate simply 150% of this. 150% of this will be 3y. Okay, 3y. Okay, I hope you understand up to here. After this, a combined number of 20 students took admission in all the three sections. A combined number of 20 students. Okay, again clearly read this. A combined number of 20 students took admission in all three sections in okay, but no student took admission in section A. So that 20 students took admission in this. Here no student took admission, so mean this 20 is the number of students which took is 20. These are only for B and C. Okay, I hope you got it. This 20 is only for B and C, not for A, because it clearly says that A is no student take admission in A section. Okay, it will be same, whatever number will be here, that same will be here also. Okay, we can write 3y, but I will not write once. Okay, once check what the given question in the next part. Now just read the next part also. The number of these are the extra information which were given in the question. So number of students in section A, 10th class July. A class July. See this, where it is. A 10th class July. A 10th class July. Here it is. This is what about this? It is saying this is same number of students in B and 12th in August. B 12th class August. Where it is B 12th class August. Okay, so this and these both are the same. Mean if it here it is written 40 now, then here also 40 will come. Okay, now read the question again. The of a student in section A of 12 class, because if we skip any even in one information, then our question can be wrong. Okay, the number of student of in section A in 12th class August. A 12th class August. A 12th class August. So talking about this point. Okay, it's same as the number of students in B 10th class July. Where is B 10th class July? This talking about these are what, this and this both are same. So I can write x minus 16 here. Okay, so I will do that. Why? I will tell the reason later. What is the reason? Because listen, I have x here. Okay, and why I have not written here? Why 3y I have not written here? Because if I write here, then I will get one new variable. I mean total two variable I have to solve, so it will be complicated for me. So that's why I put it this same here. And now what we will do, we will just put this here also. Why? Because we know that no student take admission in A section in 12th class. Okay, so as it is, this also I will write here x minus 16. So we know that this is the 150% of this number, so we will calculate the 100% of this number. So for that we have to x minus 16 divided by 150% multiply 100%. This will be 2 and 3. Okay, table of 50. So just now what it is, as it is I will write here. So it is x minus 16, okay, 2 and by 3. Now just simply erase it. Now read the question again. Here we read it. In August, the number of students in 10th class was 140. In 10th, okay, no section is there. It means that it is talking about the total of August, like August month. So August total 10th class. See where it is. It is here. Okay, total. Okay, so it is talking about this point. So total 168. Sorry, August total. It is here. So this is what? This is 140% of which number? This is 40% of the number is in 12th class. So same as this will be same, because here it is mentioned August. It means it is also saying in for 12th class also it is saying for August. So this number is 140% of this number. Okay, we have to calculate 100% of this right here to know what is the number here. Calculate 100%. This is 140%. Okay, this is 140%. And we have to know 100%. 0 by 0. Divide this 1. This 0 will come here. It means we know that we calculated 120. Here will be 120%. 120 means total of a student in 12th class is 120. So okay, up to here we have done all the instruction, extra information, and individual class information also we have used. So now just we have to find this all the information which we have written. Okay, let me now see. Okay, no need of question now. This part now once. Now see what we can do here. Here are 3 total is given to us. Also in earlier class I told you that we should try to calculate our question by the total if it is given. Okay, and if we look at this total, these 2 totals, you will come to know, you will here one is given of plus, here x is given of minus, then these both x will eliminate each other, and same goes for here also. So mean this total I cannot use, okay, for my calculation, and if we talk about for this, here it is not as the condition is here is the different condition. So we can solve this by using this method. Okay, so just simply x minus 16 plus 40 plus also 2x minus 16 and divided by 3 and is equal to 120. Now let's solve this. What will be the answer? So divide multiply this is divided by 3 and skip this by this by 3, this will be 360, multiply this and this also, so this will be 3x. So we directly multiply minus 16 will be 48 and multiply this, so 20 and multiply this plus 2x and minus 32. Okay, okay, and these two minus it will be added. Okay, then it will be 80 and if we subtract 80 from 120 it will give us 40 of positive, and if we transpose this this will be 320. Okay, now overall what we have now, 5 into 320 equals to 64. Okay, so finally we have x now. Okay, this, so put a at the place of x and we putting the value x minus 16 means 64 minus 16, it will be 48. Just write simply 48 here. Okay, same goes here, same for here and same here. Okay, this is 48. Now subtract 64 from 120, this will give us 56. If we 64 from 94, then this will be 30. Now for this part also solve this part, this will be here what it will be, 48 divided by 3 and multiply by 2, it will give us 32. Okay, oh shit, this will be 32. Okay, so most of the values we have calculated, even 2 values are still. Okay, once let me erase this completely. Now see, okay, it was clearly given, you may remember that combinedly 20 number of students increased from here to here. Okay, in August month of 12th class, 20 number of students increased in section B and C. Okay, combinedly. So we don't know how many number of students increased here in B section, how many number are there in for C. Okay, so this problem is there in front of us. So what we will do now, we will just simply let one value here. Okay, just simply let x, okay, just let x was here at the beginning, at the beginning of 12th class in July month. So can you now tell me what is the increase in B section? Okay, so what you will do, you just simply subtract 40 minus x. Okay, suppose that I write here 30, okay, and then I to tell me the number of increased, what is the number, how many student has taken admission. So what you do, you just simply subtract 30 minus 40. That same thing I am doing. Okay, I will just subtract x minus 40. Okay, now just recall that number 20, what it was. Here we know that 20 is combinedly given to us for B and C. Okay, B we know, we already calculated from this part, 40 minus x is of B. So what is of C? What we will do now, we will just subtract these from 20. Just subtract this complete part from 20. We will know what is the point of C. Okay, 40 minus x. Let's calculate this. This will be 20 minus 40, and here minus minus will be plus x, and this will be 20 plus x. Okay, 20 plus x. So we calculated that this is the increase. This is the increase in C section of 12th class. Okay, this increase. Again, I am repeating, this is the increase. So what was the value? Because we know that after increase, after given, we know which we have calculated after increase. Okay, after increase it is 32. What was the earlier? Okay, so what we will do, suppose that whatever it is, whatever value was here, we have just increased by this and we got this. Okay, so now what we will do, 32 minus this complete value, we will go back to here. Okay, so minus 20 plus x. Okay, just plus 32 plus 20 x, and here it will be 52 minus. Okay, so finally we have calculated this, but even we do not have the actual number, so still have a mean variable here. So mean this this data we cannot find by the question, by the information which is given. Okay, until now. So for that, for these two, we have to use the question. If given in question, to answer the question, we have to use the data which will be given to us in question directly. Here it is not given. We cannot calculate these two. Okay, if you are that if we subtract 40 minus x, okay, this is one, and add 32 minus 52 minus x, and make it equal 20, because you know here this is the increase percent here, this is the increase percent here. Okay, and it will be, this will be, then what will be all at the amount 20 is 20, this will be 2. Okay, so that's why we cannot calculate this data further, so we have to stop here. So let's come to the question. This is the first question. First question, it is saying that in July the number of students in section C of 10th class, 11th class, 12th class are in arithmetic in the same order. Okay, so in section C, where it first of all month is July month, JULY, July month, section C, where it is here. Okay, so classes, all classes, 10th, 11th, 12th, it is saying for all classes, 10th, 11th. Okay, section C, and what are the number, can you tell me? Here it is 30, this 30 is of July, and here again July, this number is given to us, we know this only. So 30, 52 minus x, and this completely don't know. And what it is now, what can the maximum number of student C? Okay, clearly this maximum in C 11th class in July. You mean clearly this here, what will tell me? Okay, so one thing, if you have clearly read this arithmetic progression, what is this? Arithmetic progression is a chapter in 10th class, if you remember. Okay, what is the difference in AP? Okay, simply what is meaning of AP? AP means whatever all the tables, like all the table. If I write here table of 5, 10, 15, okay, and any number can be, okay, 20. This is AP. This is called as a AP. Okay, mean there must be a common difference. There must be equal difference. And what is the number series? Don't this rule not apply for series. Can be any pattern of any pattern, like if you write 2, okay, then I write 3, okay, I added 1, and 5, okay, 8 and 12. Different here was of 5 each, 5, okay, 5, 5, 5. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, see the difference. This can be here, but can't be here. Okay, number is different, and arithmetic means there must be equal difference in all the numbers. So this is said to us in this question, that here will be AP, and we have to calculate the maximum. Here must be a maximum number. And for now, just before solving this question, just let that I write just suppose that here in number 40. Okay, now what your answer will be? Okay, if this is AP, these are the two terms of AP, then here it will be, okay. And if I write here another number, let us say 36, okay, 36, then what will be the number? And that number will be 32. 1 minute. 33, sorry, 3, okay, 33. Hope you understand now. So in this same manner, what we need now, this become the more important. First of all, calculate this class of student, 12th class in July of C section. So calculate this. I have to calculate this first. So clearly it is we want the maximum number. So how we can get that? Now tell me one thing. Is it possible that in July number of students can greater than this? Is it possible? No, it will not be possible, because it is clearly said to us in the question that only admission, the student took admission, okay, no student left the school. No student left the school. It's not said to, we cannot assume that it only said for admission now, so we will just consider that part. So admission, so we cannot. Okay, what are the possible ways? 4 you cannot take. It means if I take 34 here now, it means 2 students has left the school, so that is not possible. Just go below that, more lesser to that, 33, this is also not possible. Okay, if I go 32, possible, because condition no student admission in this, okay. And if I go 31, okay, this is also possible, but this will fulfill my condition, the condition which is required in admission.